Starting around 19 October 2023, Dogelon Mars sort of fundamentally is exchanging at $0.00000014 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in most recent 60 minutes, which is very huge. Elon actually especially has a fundamentally in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $74,703,902, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,365,880, which generally truly is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. This generally certainly makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, quite positioning at 285 in the cryptographic money market, by and large further appearance how this in every practical sense makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, exceptionally positioning at 285 in the digital currency market, or so they especially thought, which for the most part is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you sort of basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially generally is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars actually for the most part be certainly worth in 2023, which especially generally is genuinely huge, or so they especially thought. Is Dogelon Mars an essentially wise speculation or especially fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely significant manner in an unobtrusive way? Will Elon cost in every practical sense basically outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought, which is genuinely huge? These actually for the most part are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future in an unpretentious manner, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost certainly sort of is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of certainly normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal really least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the especially kind of current year, ought to be $0.00000018. Which basically explicitly is genuinely huge, which is very critical. Besides, Elon can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally sort of greatest value level of $0.00000020 in an unpretentious manner. Elon value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is estimated to truly be at around an entirely least worth of $0.00000015. So basically generally is Dogelon Mars a kind of in every practical sense wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. The Dogelon Mars value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $0.00000017, with the pretty truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars, in an especially sort of huge way, or so they thought. Elon value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars basically is determined to be at around a fundamentally exceptionally least worth of $0.00000016, or so they in every practical sense truly thought in an unobtrusive way. The Dogelon Mars value worth can in every practical sense truly arrive at a sort of exceptionally limit of $0.00000017 with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, showing how Elon value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense sort of is estimated to for the most part truly be at around a very least worth of $0.00000016, which certainly truly is genuinely huge. Elon value figure October 2023. The Dogelon Mars estimate for October 2023 expects that the Elon may for the most part generally arrive at a very by and large greatest worth of $0.00000018, with a really least cost of around $0.00000017 in a sort of especially huge manner, in a sort of enormous manner. Discussing the for the most part commonly normal value Elon can stretch around $0.00000017 for October, certainly fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking in a very significant manner. Dogelon Mars value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars certainly is supposed to in a real sense, for the most part be at around a kind of least of $0.0000017, showing how these all things considered, for the most part are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for elon's future, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking, which is very critical. Dogelon Mars cost can for the most part sort of arrive at an essentially fundamentally limit of $0.0000019 with the in every practical sense, essentially normal cost of $0.0000018 in United States dollars. Showing how starting around 19 October 2023 Dogelon Mars sort of in a real sense is exchanging at $0.0000014 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in kind of most recent 1 hour, in a kind of certainly significant manner, or so they generally thought. Elon value gauge December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogelon Mars in a real sense is supposed to sort of arrive at a very least value worth of $0.0000018, so in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what entirely is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars explicitly all things considered be most certainly essentially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner amazingly? The elon cost could truly arrive at an actually genuinely greatest cost of $0.0000020, with the sort of kind of typical cost around $0.0000018 in an exceptionally huge manner, which really is very critical. Dogelon Mars truly kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogelon Mars S-cost generally sort of has shown a very in every way that really matters, great increment of 1.94% in the very most recent 24 hours, which truly is very huge in an unpretentious manner. From absolute most recent 7 days the elon in a real sense was an entirely great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.48%, very further appearance how discussing the genuinely normal value elon can essentially stretch around $0.0000017 for October, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars truly has shown exceptionally in every practical sense, areas of strength for especially all expectations and purposes truly potential of late, and this could be by and large sort of good an open door to dive right in and for the most part explicitly put resources into a sort of huge way in a sort of significant manner, as a matter of fact. Dogelon Mars value gauge 2023 facts. What will for the most part generally be Dogelon Mars pretty sort of worth in 2023, sort of really in opposition to prevalent thinking? The elon cost explicitly fundamentally is determined to basically arrive at a reasonably truly most extreme degree of $0.0000020, with pretty sort of least cost of $0.00000